The Boston Bruins and the Ottawa Senators have been neck and neck in the race for a spot in the Stanley Cup playoffs. Well, the Bees finally pushed past the Sens, who had been on a hot streak, and the Bruins now have control of the 8th seed in the Eastern Conference. But their playoff berth isn't locked up. But like a lot of teams do toward the end of the regular season when they have playoff potential, the Bruins announced that first-round playoff tickets will go on sale on Friday. And Canada's capital is calling them cocky. There was an article published in the Ottawa Sun titled, quote, "Cocky Bruins Announce Playoff Tickets." TSN's Ian Mendez wondered via Twitter if the Bruins ticket sales would be bulletin board material for the Sens. The Senators team Twitter account responded with this cart before the horse picture. The Senators could very well grab one of the Eastern Conference wildcard spots, but their fate depends on the Bruins, who currently have a 3-point advantage over Ottawa. Keep it on NESN.com for all your NHL news. In the NESN studios, I'm Michaela Vernava. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to read more on NESN.com, just head over this way.